Today we have a good recipe and it's easy, and actually Miss Morgan gave us this recipe from the ranch and it's called blueberry crisp. It's healthy, it's gluten-free, easy to make, and I'm going to show you how to make it now. So basically you need 1 cup of oats. You need 1/2 cup of chopped pecans. You need 1/3 cup of olive oil, 1/4 cup of maple syrup, 1/2 teaspoon of salt. We need 4 cups of blueberries, and we need 1/2 cup of almond meal. And you can get that at Trader Joe's, Whole Foods, Amazon. And this is pretty easy to make. The first thing we're gonna do is take our blueberries, and we have an 8x8 Pyrex dish, just a glass dish. You could also use a 9x4. And we just dump our blueberries in the bottom. And just spread those around. And then we're gonna take the rest of our ingredients and just dump them in our bowl. So we've got our maple syrup, 1/4 cup of that. We've got our 1 cup of oats. Just dump everything in the same bowl. We have 1/2 cup of chopped pecans, 1/3 cup of olive oil. And this recipe is gluten-free, dairy-free, very healthy. And we have 1/2 teaspoon of salt. So we are just going to combine everything together in our bowl. So everything's mixed up. And actually the recipe does not call for this, but I like to add some ground cinnamon in there. I think cinnamon goes really good with any kind of blueberry crisp or fruit crisp. So that's optional. You can do that if you want. So just mix this really good. And then we are just going to dump this on top of our blueberries. And just spread it evenly. Just like this. And now we're just going to take this and we're going to put it in a 350-degree preheated oven, and we're going to bake it, and then we will be right back and show you what it looks like. Okay, so it came out of the oven. It smells amazing. Here's what it looks like. And I will say, yours is probably going to look a little different than mine, because as I was mixing my ingredients to pour on top, I forgot to put my almond meal in. So after I realized that, I pulled it out of the oven and had to mix everything together, but it's still gonna taste the same. But yours will just have the blueberries on the bottom and the crumble on the top. But this is so good. Be good with a really yummy scoop of vanilla ice cream, or some yogurt, or maybe just some whipped cream on top, or just as is like this. But I hope you guys enjoy this recipe, and we will see you next time.